Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is a short lecture on Excel on telling you how to use the consolidation. Quite often we have the problem that we have different kind of sheets within the company. So here, for example, the overview about skiing vacation, summer vacation, ocean cruises, and with the proper employees. And if this is done 2004, people tend to copy and paste for 2005. So we have kind of the same sheets in 2005, 2006, and 2007. The problem is that in 2005 something might change. We hear of cars of different kind of problems, and here one of the problems is that we have additional employees. Or if you look at 2004, it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we not only have skiing vacation, summer vacation, and ocean cruises, we also have the rented houses. In 2006, we only had the two products here, but still some of our employees. And in 2007, somebody really mixed it up as the order of the employees was changing. So if you want to get an overview about all those years and all the employees and all your products, combination of this is kind of tricky because you need to do a sum in the right cells, and that is not something you want to do by hand. And out of this, we could recommend to use an automation that is done by Excel. That means if we're going for a new sheet, we can go to data, and within data, we have the option of consolidating, and the consolidation is done by a different function. That means we can talk about summing up, counting, average, maximum, minimum, or whatever you want to do. In our part, we might want to sum it up. And the important part here is that the user labels need to be specified. Are they in the top row, are in the left column, or even in both? With our data, we have the top row where the products are and the left column where the employees are. The creating link to source data means that if the original data changes, do you want your sum to be changed? Sometimes you need a kind of a glimpse to the moment. So you rather not create a link to the source data, but in our part, we want to create a link to source data. On the reference, if you simply click inside and then afterwards click over here to one of the register cards, you can specify which data you want to allocate. Otherwise, with the browse, you could check out in different other kind of locations on your computer or on your server where the data is. That means you can locate it in other Excel files or in a database, wherever you want to have it. Here we say the reference is to be found under 2004 in those cells. And afterward, and you see the path that is taken here, 2004, which is the name of the sheet, and A1 to D8, and now we edit. And for 2005, we do the same selection and edit, and 2006. So we don't care about the order of the employees, and we edit, or we don't care about the order and adding new kind of columns. We simply edit, and after pressing OK, we're back in our new sheet, and here you see that the informations are already summed up, and he combines now, of course, due to the fact that we told him in the first line there's the heading of the product, and in the leftmost column there's the name of the employee. He sums up all the informations. You see that there's a little plus in front, because if we do a plus, that's due to the fact that we linked it, because here with linking, he needs to know out of which document is the information. As the information is all from one document, means the document consolidation 2, this is what he shows here. If we have another database or another Excel sheet or another Excel sheet, we could go and reference to other locations here. If you haven't clicked for the consolidation to creating links and you click on OK, simply this column is missing and the plus are missing. So this means this is a one shot and it will not be updated if you update it here. So if we go for summer vacation here for employee number 7, we could simply add something in here and employee number 7 will get summer vacation over here. So do a kind of 50, and if we go here, you see instantly without updating or anything else that this is updated, which is now of course a little bit easier because we don't mind if there's kind of 5 sheets, 10 sheets, 20 sheets. It's easy. You simply specify where the data is, and the consolidation is done by Excel itself. Thanks for your attention. See you again on the next course.